Hi there, Teresa Ward, and today we will go over how to clean soap scum off a marble the safe green way. It's important to make sure you don't let soap scum build up on your marble surfaces, so the way you won't have any discoloration or bacteria set into the natural stone. Here is what you can use to prevent an unsightly mess: baking soda, all-natural dish soap, sponge, and warm water. You want to take some dish soap and baking soda and mix them together into a small bowl, making a paste-like substance. Then dab your sponge into the paste you created and scrub around the marble tub in circular motions. Finally, rinse away with warm water. You can use the sponge to make sure you get all the paste mixture off. Thanks for hanging out with Teresa's Family Cleaning. We hope these tips help to make your home cleaner. And remember, our reputation is spotless.